How to use Paylater on Grab. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Paylater on Grab. To see the eligibility for Grab Paylater, make sure that you've been existing Grab user for at least 6 months. You are aged 21 years or over and your account has been fully verified. Make sure that you're a Platinum, Gold, or Silver Grab Rewards tier member. Also, your Grab app has been updated to the latest version. Next, navigate to the Finance tab and look for Paylater. If you see the Paylater option, you're eligible and then tap on it. Now, tap the Activate Now button at the bottom. After that, you will see the Retrieve My Info with Sync Pass option and select it. Here, choose the Grab Pay Now and Paylater option and continue to pay. Then, it will ask for the OTP verification. Once it's verified, choose the payment method you'd like to apply. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.